Hello guys, so here is a grass mining airdrop update. In case you've forgotten or you're just getting started, this is like a reminder for those that have forgotten about their grass Depin mining. And for those that are yet to get started, you can still join. And now they are currently having a lot of improvements, advancements and all of that. And rumor has it that they will be allocating the season 2 for to farmers in due time, like soonest. So here is it. Now they have the Android app and also they have the desktop app now. For the Android app, you can download the Android and connect your account. You log in through your account if you've already signed up. But if you're just signing up, you first of all need to sign up using the link. You sign up using the link, download Mrs. Browser and connect the wallet extension. That's for those that are just joining the grass, the pin mining. You have to first of all sign up using the link. Check the description box of this video. Then you will need to download the wallet, the browser extension, and connect to your account. So also, if you are using a desktop, they have this update. You can see Mac for those that are using MacBook, and you are seeing Windows and you are seeing Linux. So because I just opened this and I found out that we have a new app download to do. So this is one of their upgrade. In case you've forgotten about this, then go back and open. So I just downloaded the desktop application, and as you can see, grass. So I'll just install it. Even though I've signed up before, but I think they just made this improvement of having to download the desktop application, because I don't know. But here's it. I'll just install this and completed. Then finish. You see what I'm doing? It's very simple when you are using desktop actually. I'm not even going to lie about it. So now my account has been reconnected. So I will implore you to go and do this if it's been a while you open the grass extension. If you are using a desktop device, then download and install just like I've just done in these few seconds. And if you are using Mrs. Browser, when you click on it, so it automatically pop up the installation, the downloading option. Maybe they increase their extension, I don't know. And you'll be able to download, install, and reconnect. You have to reconnect. As you can see, connected. So let me refresh now and see what we have. And also they are having this particular update. For those that before going to their wait list updates for another thing they have in stock for us, if you have signed up, you can download the app on your Android device, just like what this NotePay is doing, whereby you can sign in every day from the app, check in daily from the app. So I'll be dropping the link to the Android app and to download the Android the Android app on your phone, so that you can check in daily from the app as well. Because I'm using a desktop, I can't be combining the Android app and this together. So I'll just drop the link. Just download the extension, download the app and log in your details on the app. I think from the app there is a place you have to check in every day, like you can check in. So that could be additional earnings. Just download the Android app if you have an Android device. Log in your details after you must have signed up. Then start mining. Start checking in every day. Just like what NotePay is doing. You know, NotePay has an app for themselves too, where you can check in every day. In case you are not familiar, you know, we are also farming season 2 of NotePay. I'm doing a reminder so that you can remember all of these things, and it's not when they are distributing season 2 you'll be like, when did we even start farming season 2? If you are farming NotePay season 2, this is NotePay. Let me show you. So you can also download their app too and log in so that you can check in every day from their app. Where's the note pay? I'm trying to show you the note pay for my extension. This is like a reminder. So I think that is what Grass is doing as well. Checking in daily from the app, from the Android app, then connecting your extension to mine every day. Where's my note pay? Okay, so this is the note pay extension. Let me pin it. Okay, let me unpin this Mango extension. It's not doing anything. So this is the note pay. They have app too, as you can see, connected. So note pay has an app too, and they are combining season 2, season 3 all together. If you open on their dashboard, you see that they've taken allocation for they've taken, like they've combined the points for season 2, and now I think we are currently farming season 3 or season 4 thereabout for this note pay. Maybe at the end of their seasons they will combine and give us allocation. So before you start asking, when did we farm season 2, when did we farm this, then you should see this as a reminder. This is for the note pay. So back to the Grass airdrop. So there is no I've given you the update about the Android app downloading and connecting your extension. If you are using a mobile device, use Mrs. Browser to reconnect your extension on Mrs. Browser. But if you are using a desktop, you re-download the extension and reinstall, just like what I did from the start of this video, and you reconnect like that, and you'll be seeing connected. Once you are seeing connected, then you are good. Now they bring about the Grasshopper. You see, reserve your Grasshopper. This one you have to join a wait list for you to be able to purchase this Grasshopper. Purchasing the Grasshopper means you'll be able to mine at a faster speed. Remember, the current price of the Grass token is $3.20. This Grass is built on Solana blockchain, so it's currently trading for $3.20. So meaning that if you are receiving any allocation now, you'll be selling at $3.20, if not more. So to be able to purchase this Grasshopper, you have to get the wait list. And to get the wait list, this is the wait list link. You enter your mail, select your country, and click on join wait list. So once you are able to get the wait list, it means that you'll be able to purchase the Grasshopper mining device. This is it. It's like mining for a higher speed, and you earn grass for mining. And it just like, you know, people purchase BTC mining machine. So this is like purchasing grass mining machine in future, because once you get the wait list, you'll be able to purchase the mining machine, and the mining machine will earn you grass. So they are building something fantastic. So if you know you are interested in buying the Grasshopper, make sure you fill the wait list form to see if you get a spot. Once you get a spot, you'll be able to buy the mining machine and the Grasshopper. Let me not use mining machine. You'll be able to get the Grasshopper to start mining grass. So it's as simple as that for this Grass update. That is what they are building. So check all links in the description box of this video. The registration links, the Grasshopper waitlist link, the Android downloading link, and all of that. So this is the update about the Grass mining Depin airdrop. Stay tuned for subsequent updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel. Like and share this video. Follow for more updates. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video to join my Telegram and WhatsApp community. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.